Hello everyone! We are the young reporters for the environment from Professor Dr. Aziz Sancar Science Cycle. Yep, that's right. We are not just students. And we are on a mission! I am Hilal and with me are Ali Tuna, Gizem, Ege, and last but not least, Efahan. Today we will talk to you about ecosystem restoration. Before we start, to understand the importance of the topic, I will give some information. Every single minute, we lose an area of forest as large as a football field. If we don't take action, our oceans could hold more plastic than fish within the next few decades. And here's an even bigger concern. Without bees, a huge part of our food system would be in danger. But there is still hope. In certain regions, coral reefs are beginning to recover due to conservation work. Forests that were once destroyed are being restored through tree planting projects. Even small daily choices, cutting down on plastic, planting more greenery, and supporting eco-friendly options can create a meaningful difference. Bringing ecosystems back to life is not just about saving nature, it's about ensuring our own survival. A healthier world gives us cleaner air, purer water, and a better quality of life. The best time to make a change is today. Ali Tuna, you are up first. Could you please describe ecosystem restoration to us?
Of course, ecosystem restoration is defined as the process of reversing ecosystems breakdowns in order to restore their ecological functions, increase their productivity, and capacity to meet the needs of society. Now, let's move on to sample studies on ecosystem restoration. My friend Gizem will give examples from real life.
One of the best examples of ecosystem restoration is the European Green Deal project by the European Union. The European Green Deal aims to create a sustainable future by 2050 through several key initiatives. One major goal is to reduce greenhouse gas emissions, including carbon dioxide, methane, nitrogen oxide, and fluorinated gases to combat climate change. Additionally, it focuses on protecting biodiversity and restoring ecosystems to maintain ecological balance. Another important aspect is promoting a circular economy and encouraging sustainable agriculture practices like drip irrigation, planting trees or shrubs to prevent soil erosion, and also storing rainwater. Lastly, the deal emphasizes accelerating the transition to green energy, promoting the use of environmentally friendly and sustainable energy sources to reduce dependence on fossil fuels. There are titles such as repairing wetlands and swamps. In order to achieve these goals, it carries out various activities such as afforestation of empty lands, collection of waste in water with various ships, use of renewable energy sources, and provide protection for animals. Ecosystem restoration has some economic, sociological, and psychological effects on society. So Ege, can you please explain the economic effects?
Some of the economic effects of ecosystem restoration are as follows. Ecosystem restoration can increase productivity by benefiting sectors such as agriculture and fisheries. According to the European Central Bank, 72% of businesses in the Eurozone are dependent on ecosystem service. Ecosystem restoration ensures the long-term sustainability of these businesses, though some farmers and industry groups criticize this business for finding it costly. Now I'm passing the microphone to Efan to talk about its sociological and psychological effects.
Thanks, Ege. Now let's get to the heart of the matter. Restoring ecosystems isn't just about the planet, it's about people. When we increase green spaces, people feel better. Stress goes down, happiness goes up, and everyone breathes easier. By increasing green areas, it can improve public health, reduce stress levels, and increase the welfare level of the society. The fact that member countries have to take the opinions of the public and preparing a plan can improve the environmental awareness of the public. Some farmers and industrialists argue that agricultural production may decrease and livelihoods may be damaged. This situation can create social unrest in rural areas. And now, let's zoom in on an example close to home, Ilgaz National Park.
Of course, Ilgaz National Park in our country is also one of the places where ecosystem restoration should be done. This park has many endemic and endangered species. In addition, the national park, which includes Ilgaz Mountain, is damaged by things such as hotels and ski resorts used in winter tourism and also forest fires. Our suggestions for ecosystem restoration here are planting trees in damaged areas, building the facilities in an environmentally friendly way while preserving local vegetation, recycling construction materials and minimizing waste production, as well as using renewable energy sources like solar panels and wind turbines. Thanks for listening!